Hey, bud.
I got a minivan, bro.
We got our rentals. We're gonna head now down to, first step is go pick up Mike Koziel and Sam Schwa. They're gonna meet us at Mike's house down in New Jersey. We have about an hour to go to them. Oh, by the way, we're going to Hyperfest in Virginia this weekend. We're filming all weekend in Hyperfest. We'll talk a little bit more about that coming up, but we're going from New York to New Jersey, down to Virginia, and filming there all weekend. And we got 2 rental cars because we have a 6-person crew. Thank you. A client who understands that their budget should be put around for more people to make a better video. And thanks, Chris.
The fuck out of that one, but it's gonna be lit.
Thanks for the budgeting for multiple team members, Chris. So we have 2 cars to fit all the people and all the gear. We also have a black arm, so that's gonna be really cool. So
we also
check
have
with
2
you guys.
reds. Don't forget the 2 reds. 2 mother effing reds.
We'll
Chop that shit.
We'll check with you guys in a bit. Mike's house.
Do you actually know how like big this shit is?
Hi, Sam. No, man, I've never used them before. Wow, those are overkill.
Oh, like legit. Like legit.
Oh, they go to the front.
I don't know if they're gonna fit in the minivan.
We'll be all right.
Yeah.
Sam, what's in your car?
A black arm for rollers.
Sam's Schwa. If you guys don't know, Schwa Films, Schwa Media, Schwa Enterprises, Schwa. He's gonna be editing on the strip with us. Cody's driving. Mike Koziel is also shooting, and then Halcyon Anthony is also gonna be shooting that we're coming to pick up. But our first stop is to get big crap in the minivan because now we have a minivan.
Like semi-important.
I should probably keep that. Yay. Thanks, Phil. So we just picked up a little piece, toad in the hole for the movie that we're gonna need for the black arm from our friend Phil. I'll put his Instagram on the screen if you guys want to check him out. Shout out to Phil, saved my butt. Mom was supposed to be here, but I got lost in the mail. Thank you, Phil. Just got to Anthony's new apartment. So we're gonna get him and all his gear, load it in both cars, and then head back on the road to Virginia. It's currently 11:08. Damn.
King of the castle.
He's got a balcony. So we had our good friend Dustin who makes all of our shirts. We had him make some shirts just for this event so we can kind of stand out and look a little bit more official. Sam Piva designed these. We have some white shirts and some black shirts in here. We'll show you guys once we get down there. But they have all our names on the sleeve. Shut up! They have all our names on all the sleeves, which is really cool, of our entire crew. Loading up Anthony's gear in the minivan and then making our nice little, now 8-hour drive on down to Virginia.
Whoa! Allen Road.
Oh,
What's going on?
Well, on account of all the cop cars that just went up there, they got the highway shut down. So we need to find a detour now, which will make us late. No, turn on red.
It's alright, I'm not recording or anything.
I'm just...
Oh my god.
What?
Can you shut up?
Huh?
Shut up! Moo! Moo! Is this in slow-mo? Oh, it is in 60.
Turn it on. So current situation, it's 3:42. We wanted to plan to be down at VIR at Virginia. I hear Anthony
I
right
don't even see them anywhere.
They'll be here somewhere. We're supposed to be at VIR around like 7:30 tonight to pack and start prepping on track stuff, but the highway is currently closed. There's an accident or something, so the highway is closed. So we're not gonna get down there until like probably after 9 p.m. now. It's gonna be dark, so we won't be able to walk the track, we won't be able to get the golf carts, but we might still be able to prep the X5M chase car. But right now we're just gonna get more snacks because we're gonna be sitting for a while. More snacks.
No, don't worry. Don't go crazy about it. We're good. We got time. Alright, bye.
I wish one of you guys caught that. I was busted ass on that.
Wow. Interesting.
You busted ass?
I finally gave up after 8.5, 9, or 12 hours of driving.
Use the wipers.
We made it.
Yeah, we made it. We were supposed to get here 2 hours ago, 2.5 hours ago, 7, 8, 9, 10, 3 hours ago. But with stuff getting shut down and lots of traffic and accidents today, we got set back a lot. We were supposed to scout today. Not gonna happen, it's dark. We're supposed to get the golf carts today. Not gonna happen, it's dark. We're supposed to go to bed at a reasonable time tonight. Probably not gonna happen, because it's, well, we have stuff to do. But we're gonna pull in now, give them our tickets. We're gonna go find our villa, and hopefully find our guy. And I don't know, I'm tired.
Bye.
Here's our villa.
Can I see this real quick?
Yeah.
Thank you. Come on. So me and Ant are doing the important part. Entering the villa. So here we have Ant, and there's Chris, and
We got here.
and we're in.
It smells like an H2O condo.
So we're here in the villa, MTV. This is the Junior suite. If you open that door, Junior's dancing in there.
No garage.
We'll just open the door.
I can't, it's locked.
Amateur. All right, so this is the villa. We can all sleep on the floor, and that's it. Maybe this is the garage. This is the bathroom.
Okay.
Oh Jesus Christ! Whoa.
Oh, wow, this is nice.
Can you imagine people are like in here sleeping? And you're just like, oh shit!
Wow, this is sick.
I get a key.
Big.
Wow! Holy shit! Huh?
And then Cody can get Sam on the keys one.
What is it?
Let's do me, you, and Cody, and Mike, and then if
Wow!
Sam needs one, then get it to Cody.
This is pretty dope.
This is fire.
I feel like this is the best accommodations for any event you've ever done. Next to H2O.
Yeah, you guys can make it later.
Shut up, Chris. So right now we are unpacking the cars.
If anything, this is the case with all the hard drives.
10-4, that's the case with all the hard drives.
Yeah.
So we're just unpacking the cars, and then we're gonna go to Walmart, and yeah.
Alright, unless you want to look really weird in panorama, don't move.
I would love to. So we abandoned the place and stopped at Walmart because we got to get some food for our little villa that we have this weekend with the guys. So we're going to stock up on some food for the weekend. Passing stuff that I'll probably have to go back to later because I'm vlogging and I'm not paying attention. So we're going to get some food. Cody, what are you looking for?
I don't even know.
Ooh!
Alright. Children. I work with children. I got 80 chicken nuggets. Mine. Frosted Flakes, front of the aisle, because they know it was good. If you don't fuck with Frosted Flakes, I don't fuck with you. You guys gonna be here all week? Just the weekend. Hey, Sam, Avengers, Ninja Turtles, or SpongeBob? SpongeBob. Sorry, I'm sorry I asked. Nope, not that.
So
Get a 12er. For now, we can always get more later. Oh God. No, Cody, Jesus Christ. Funny thing is, I'm paying Cody to basically just be an assistant all weekend, and guess who's pushing the cart?
this guy, I start my payday tomorrow.
He's got a point.
Well, we were gonna grab.
It's the best part about not flying.
I got a dilemma here. I need 3 total. I got this fire Porsche. I got this Volkswagen. Everything else though is like what is this? Explanation.
What's the budget?
What is this? That's a Super Porsche. Filming Minecraft on the track. Oh, so the dude driving the car has never worked with a camera crew. We don't believe. So instead of me being like, you're gonna pass the dude around the first turn and then we're gonna land at a 3/4 front panel shot, he's gonna be like, what? So I'm just gonna take the cars and go like, this is them, this is us, we're gonna do this, land here, smoke doinks.
Do you want to get one of the Barbie cars for the race? We could all go in that one. For the downhill Barbie doll race?
God, grocery shopping with Chris is so much fun.
So we got everything for the weekend. So everyone's like fed. We got extra stuff that we might need for the place. Also, yeah, we have like 80 chicken nuggets. So we'll be good all weekend. Yeah, this is nice. It's a good time. Be good. something really cool I did for this event as well. I put a little bit of budget into also having shirts made so the crew can look all official and match and everything like that. So on the front of our shirts, we have the Krispy Media logo kind of with in that different little shape or whatever. We have our tags on the inside as usual as well. On the sleeve, we have the flag of the best country in the world, obviously. And then on the back, we have design. This is all designed by Sam Piva, our good friend. On the back, we have Hyperfest Film Crew, coverage by Krispy Media, NASA, who kind of runs it all. And then the coolest part on the sleeve is our freaking names on the sleeve. Shout out to Dustin for printing these up for me. If you guys need shirts printed, I'll put his Instagram on the screen. All our names of our entire crew down the sleeve. So we have me, Anthony, Mike, Sam, Cody, and then Preston, who you guys will meet soon, who's local, that's helping us film. This is our entire crew. It's gonna be cool. So this way we can find each other in the crowd. These are just gonna be just for us, and there's a few extra to give out to like the owner of the event. Sam, thank you for the designs. Dustin, thank you for printing them. It's like the most official thing I've ever done. It's pretty cool. Oh. God, Cody. Sorry. Wow. This is sick. This is it's not a bad view. So this morning it's 6:40 this morning, so we're early, which is good. We're all gonna head out in about 20 minutes, give or take, to go down to, you guys can't see. We're gonna head out in about 20 minutes or so to go down to the media meeting and just meet up with the client that we haven't met yet because we got in late last night.
To the track, welcome first timers. If this, first time, it's going to be another really busy event. Ticket sales, are through the roof, so be prepared to get some, really cool shots, and just be safe while you're doing it. Everybody's going to receive a packet with your vest, and these same media rules I'm going to.
Chris and the rest of the guys are over doing media stuff. Me and Ant got the best job.
Do the cool job.
We got the golf carts.
This is so sick.
When the budget was high enough.
What's up, bud?
Okay. Thanks, pal. Thank you.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Let's get a golf cart roller.
You can go how far you are. So Ant just got dropped off at turn 3, gate 3, for the flagger stand, and I'm gonna go check back with Chris at the media station.
Good morning of Hyperfest. We're doing the first drift runs, first race courses over there. Anthony and Preston are getting race stuff somewhere around the track. Me and Mike are here, gonna get some drift footage. I'm on tripod, Mike's on Movi. Cody ran out to get a suction cup that I forgot at a local rental house, so clutch to them, as well as some hardware. Okay, busy morning. So we haven't really been able to do too much behind the scenes stuff, but Cody and Mike right now are setting up the chase car rig on the X5M that we're gonna be using these big boy suction cups.
Don't suck it down. Oh, I'm not doing anything. I'm letting you do it. Okay.
They're taking care of that. We have the black arm that we just rented out that Mike's proficient in. He's going to show us how to use and whatnot, and get some really cool on-track chase footage. In the meantime, I'm going to go get some race car footage because that's my next duty on the schedule. But yeah, we'll try to get as much vlog footage as we can in for you guys, especially when we get the chase car up. In the middle of the woods at VIR, getting some race car footage, handheld 7200 panners. Because I feel like I'm panning quicker handheld and smoother than handheld with the stabilization of the 7200 than I am with tripod. So, giving this a shot. I actually might get this shot. This looks cool. All right, I'm gonna do that.
Mike, you want to explain what you just set up?
This is a black arm. It's a stabilizer for a gimbal, and yeah.
So yeah, Mike set that up. So now the chase car that we have is going to go on the track, get some on-track footage, and yeah.
How's the day going so far?
Good. There's been some. Just cramp my head. There's been some rain, but
Did it rain on your parade though?
no.
It's a lot of money hanging off the back of that.
Yeah, and it's not. I hate when it's like driving and not on.
We need you to squeegee.
Stand by, hang on.
Sweet.
Other side.
Oh, sorry.
You know, we're not going to do the S curves. We'll go to the far side, and we'll camera video all the way through, all the way down the hill, and then that flag stand that's back here in the corner after like turn 4. You know the flag? Yeah, the uphill S's. There's a flag stand there. We'll kind of shut it off there. All right, ready? All right.
Ready.